discussion, you'll explain how you plan to assess the effectiveness of your intervention program. You'll be outlining evaluation strategies, the data you plan to collect, and methods you use to measure success at 3 different levels: process, impact, and outcome. Each level answers a different question about your program, and together they help you understand both how well the program was delivered and what it actually accomplished. Let's begin with a brief review of process evaluation. This section reviews on the quality and consistency of your program's delivery. Here you will describe how you intend to monitor what is happening during implementation and how you'll document it. You'll want to speak to several areas: implementation fidelity, how you will ensure the program is delivered exactly the way it was designed; participation and engagement, what will you track regarding attendance, retention, or participant involvement; dose delivered versus dose received, how many sessions you planned versus how many participants actually attended; recruitment strategies, or how you will track your success recruiting participants and any challenges you encountered along the way; barriers and facilitators, what helped deliver the program smoothly and what stood in your way; data sources are the tools you'll use, such as checklists, facilitator logs, observation sheets, sign-in forms, or session recordings. In this part of your discussion, make it clear how you will verify that your program was carried out correctly and how you will identify implementation factors that could later influence your outcomes. Next, you'll describe your impact evaluation. This focuses on immediate or intermediate changes that result directly from your program activities. Things like your participants should experience right away or shortly after the program ends. Examples of this might include increases in knowledge or awareness, shifts in beliefs or attitudes, development of new skills, early behavior changes, boosts in motivation, or self-efficacy. You'll want to specify the short-term effects you expect to see and then explain which tools you'll use, such as pre- and post-surveys, quizzes, observational checklists, or validated scales. When you collect your data, at baseline, mid-intervention, or after the program, how you will analyze the changes using statistical tests, coding, or qualitative responses comparing results to your program goals. This section should highlight how your program's activities connect logically to your short-term indicators. Finally, you will outline your outcome evaluation. This is where you examine whether your program produced lasting or significant change beyond the program period. These outcomes might include sustained behavior change, improvements in health indicators like BMI or blood pressure, reductions in risk factors or symptoms, enhanced quality of life, changes at the community or organizational level. In this part, describe the long-term outcomes you'll measure and how you'll collect and track those data over time, and what instruments you'll use, such as follow-up surveys, biometric data, medical records, or community health indicators. Be sure to identify what success looks like for your program and how you'll interpret the program findings within the context of your goals. As you complete your discussion, remember that evaluation isn't about gathering data. It's about understanding what your program means for you, for your team, and for your community. It's about accountability, transparency, and ensuring that your intervention contributes to sustainable health improvement.